In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook group. So first you want to go to Facebook, then go ahead and go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. And then once you're here, you need to then click on groups. Make sure you're on the page you want to create a group on. So I'm on my John Smith profile, so just make sure you're on the right profile. Go ahead and click on groups. Then it's going to show you or suggest a bunch of groups for you. What you need to do now is go to the plus icon in the top right of the screen next to groups. So after you've done that, you'll then be given the option to create a group or create a post. You want to click on create group. Now you've done that, you can then give this group a name. So I'm just going to call it knowledge base. And you then want to select your privacy settings. I'm going to make this public, and then we can go ahead and create a group. So once this is created, we're going to be able to then invite people to this. So here it's going to show you and suggest people that you can invite. Because this is a fresh account with no friends, it's not going to give me any suggestions, but you can go and search for people or your friends will show up here. After you've done that, click next in the top right hand corner. Then it's going to ask you to add a cover photo. So if you click edit, you can go ahead and upload your own photo. I'm just going to choose this one here and then click next. Then you can write a description about your group. Again, obviously, the more detail you put here, the more your group's going to get pushed to people. And obviously, the more active you are on the group, the bigger the group following is going to grow. So go ahead and click next here. After you've done that, you can then create a post if you want, but I'm just going to click on done. And then here is your group. Now you want to go ahead and start adding media, and to do that you want to click write something, and then you can add media and start to create discussions inside the group. So I hope that video was quick and did help you out.